In 2025, Gamma AI continues to redefine how we create presentations, making it faster, smarter, and more intuitive than ever before. For anyone who's ever struggled with designing slides, organizing content, or making presentations look professional, Gamma AI is a true game changer. This platform uses cutting-edge artificial intelligence to automatically transform your ideas into visually appealing presentations, saving you time and effort while ensuring a polished, professional result. What sets Gamma AI apart in 2025 is its combination of simplicity and advanced features. Beginners can quickly create slides just by entering their content, while more experienced users can take advantage of customization options to match branding, adjust visuals, and refine layouts. The AI doesn't just focus on aesthetics, it also helps structure your content logically. This ensures that your message flows smoothly, your main points are highlighted effectively, and your audience stays engaged from start to finish. In 2025, Gamma AI introduces even smarter design suggestions. It analyzes your text and recommends layouts, visuals, and formatting choices that best fit your topic. Whether you're making a business presentation, an educational lecture, or a social media pitch, Gamma AI adapts to your needs, giving you a professional look in minutes. It also integrates with popular tools and platforms, making it easier to import content, share presentations, or collaborate with others. For beginners, the platform is incredibly intuitive. You don't need prior design experience or technical skills to create professional slides. Everything is guided, with suggestions and templates that help you make decisions quickly. At the same time, professionals can use Gamma AI's advanced features to create highly customized presentations, giving them full control over every visual element. Imagine preparing a product pitch for potential investors. Instead of spending hours designing slides, Gamma AI allows you to focus on the content while it handles the layout, visuals, and structure. Or think about a teacher creating a lesson plan. Gamma AI can transform notes into an engaging presentation in just minutes. The time-saving potential is huge, and the results are consistently professional. So if you want to take your presentations to the next level in 2025, Gamma AI is definitely worth exploring. Start creating smarter, faster, and more visually appealing slides today. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future updates about AI tools and productivity hacks.